Wow. Goodness. Oh my gosh! Yeah, Hello guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Nephi. I'm a band vocalist and my YouTube reactor. Today, I'll be reacting to Idayu. She is from Malaysia. She is one of the queens, and if it's your first time to listen to her, I'd like to tell you that she can actually mimic a lot of voices, even international voices like Mariah Carey, Celine Dion, Whitney Houston, and also of course their own like local artists in Malaysia. Today I'll be reacting to her singing Through the Rain by Mariah Carey. Oh my goodness, I'm super thrilled right now. I know she's a big fan of Mariah. I saw her post on Instagram one time. She attended the concert of Mariah Carey in Malaysia, and right then and there I know that she is really a big fan. So for her to sing the song must have been, it must have meant a lot to her. So couldn't wait to watch this. As I know she is very detailed with the runs, and if there's a tip that I would like to give you when you sing a Mariah song, it is like go into details, because Mariah is very detailed with her runs and melismas and all those riffs. So anyway guys, so for us to be shown how it's done, here's Idayu singing Through the Rain. Many of you guys wanted me to react to this, so here we go. In 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, is this like behind the scene video? Okay. Yes. Nice shifting right there. When you distraught and in pain without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved, when nobody comes and you feel so far away. My goodness. She sounds like Mariah though. You can get there alone. It's okay. What you say? Yeah. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again. The switching is so good. Full voice. Shit. Oh my gosh, girl. This is really hard. This song. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna pull out my piano right here, just in case. And if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in, 'cause you will rise safe and sound. Yeah, I love that part. The contrast of the modal voice, the full voice, and the falsetto, yeah. Yes. Yes. Here goes the bridge. I hope you guys are hearing the contrast. It's so beautiful. Goodness. Oh my gosh! It's the live version of Mariah. I think in Oprah. Oh my goodness, that was hot. Yeah, F sharp 6. So the rest is right there. Yeah, Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. One of the best covers of this song ever. Yeah, let me just say that to you guys, because that is what I think of this cover. And that F sharp 6 was actually the arrangement that Mariah did in her Oprah performance, if I'm not mistaken. And my gosh, she's got even the breaks going, like the vocal breaks of Mariah, she has it. And the vocal fries at the start, the low notes, and then also the breathy, airy tone that Mariah has, she also has it. She is that good. And she could diminish all of that if she wants to, you know? That is how good she is. So, my gosh, I'm so shook right now. I can't move on from that whistle note. And okay. Yeah. So I was able to sing with her via Smule. We talked in Instagram, and we did the song "Endless Love," which was a Mariah and Luther Vandross version, and she killed the Mariah part. I'm telling you guys, all the runs, details, everything, she got it going, the belting especially. So there you go, guys. I'm shook once again, and I want to thank you for letting me watch this video and for keeping me updated of Idayu's covers and performances. If you got more videos of her or other artists you want me to react to, comment them right down below. You know the drill, and you could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't email me, because I'm not really checking my email lately, and yeah. You can just send me your messages via my social media accounts. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye. Wow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's the live version of Mariah. I think in Oprah. Oh my goodness. That was hot. Sharp 6. So the rest is right there.